Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to ping someone on WhatsApp. Friends, in WhatsApp group, if you want to ping someone, like here I have opened a WhatsApp group. Now in this group, if I want to ping someone, then I simply need to type @ and select the name of the person and press on the send button. Now this person will be pinged. Even if the notification of this group is muted, then also he will be notified. So friends, like this you can very easily ping someone on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.